Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. If your Windows 11 PC suddenly refuse to connect to Wi-Fi and display a certificate or authentication error, as you can see guys in my screen, I am also facing the same type of error. So don't worry, this problem is usually caused by incorrect security setting, expired certificate, outdated Wi-Fi driver, or even the wrong system date and time. In this video I will walk you through every solution step by step. Watch this video till and very carefully, don't miss any step. First, need to check your date and time setting. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Open your Windows settings from the left panel, go to time and language, go to date and time setting. If the date and time setting was incorrect, you need to correct this. I will suggest you to set the date and time zone automatically. Enable this option. Also, you need to enable the set time automatically. Enable this both option. It will automatically correct your system date and time as per your location. And then restart your computer and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next fix. Turn off your router for 30 seconds. Restart your Windows 11 PC or laptop, whatever you're using. Restart it one time. After restarting, power the router back on and try to connect it again on your PC. Still the problem is same. Try the next fix. Hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager guys, you need to extend network adapters and then right click on your wireless adapter and choose update driver. Install any available update and restart your PC one time. Here you can get two options, online or offline. You can try the both method one by one. Also you can update your PC as well. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for update. If the update is there, simply go ahead, update your PC. While you update your PC, it will automatically update your all pending driver. Also scroll down, go to advanced option, go to optional updates, and here in this section, if any pending driver is showing here, select it and download and install it, especially Wi-Fi driver. After doing this method guys, still the problem is same, you can try the next method. In the Windows settings, go to system and scroll down and find out troubleshoot. Open it, go to other troubleshooter, and here you can get network and internet. You need to run this troubleshooter. Click on run and it will start detecting the problem on your PC, and follow the on-screen instruction very carefully step by step and complete the troubleshooting method. After you completed the troubleshooting method, it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the last and final method. In the Windows settings, go to system once again, scroll down and find out network reset. Select this and you need to reset the network settings. After resetting, it will forget your all connected Wi-Fi network, and then you need to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password once again and connect to your Wi-Fi network. It will fix your problem. So also you need to remember one more thing guys. If you are connecting to a workplace, school or enterprises Wi-Fi, confirm that the required security certificate is still valid and that the correct authentication method is selected. If necessary, remove the old certificate and install the latest one provided by your IT administrator. After trying this method, your Wi-Fi certificate error should be resolved and your Windows 11 computer should reconnect normally. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.